Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vimala Chapala, Senior Consultant and Obstetrician, Laparoscopic Surgeon and Infertility Specialist at Cloudnine, Varthur, Bangalore. Laparoscopic tubal reversal or laparoscopic tubal recanalisation is a minimal invasive procedure done to restore the fertility in women who has previously undergone laparoscopic tubal ligation. This can be done by re-anastomoting both of the tubes which have been cut before, or directly attaching the tubes to the uterus, or removing the bands and clips. To restore fertility, it re-establishes the egg transport. That means it will help in the movement of the travel of the egg and enhances the fertility or the fertilisation, and enhances the tubal patency and allows for natural conception. The recovery time is 1 to 2 weeks. Post procedure, the ovulation comes back to normal within 2 to 4 weeks, menstruation between 4 to 6 weeks, and optimal fertility between 3 to 6 months. And it is better to plan the pregnancy as soon as possible after this tubal recanalisation within 1 to 2 years for better fertility. And you can regain back your normal activities within 1 to 2 weeks. But immediately after the procedure, we advise you all to avoid lifting heavy weights, sitting on the ground, bending or twisting, and avoid sexual intercourse. And regain back all your duties can be done within 4 to 6 weeks post-surgery, like lifting heavy weights, doing all household activities, even heavy exercises, strenuous work like swimming, running, going to the gym, or bending and lifting weights.